global advertiser for innovative outdoor solutions.
I think society has been an integral part of all of us, from very young days, I should say. So these kind of awards, I think everyone looks forward to. And I think in terms of achieving, when you scale heights, when you achieve something, you feel good. Any kind of reward and recognition is fantastic. It feels very good. So to be part of it, to be here, and to be honored, I think there is nothing better than that.
How much such kind of award inspires you?
As I said, any kind of award, reward or recognition, it encourages you, no matter how old you are, no matter where you have reached. You may scale Mount Everest. I think that flag, when you put there, that's what that recognition is. So same, no matter how many times you scale Everest, every time you get the joy.
So you've been awarded
I don't know what the format is, but normally I think for what I have done, what I have achieved this year has been special, especially with the Padma Shri and all of that. So I think from young age to best chef of the country to international honors to everything, it's something that you look forward to. It's something that now it's not, you may not feel that good as your kids, they feel more encouraged. So it's for our team and it's for our kids, I should say. Thank you.
See, for me, I have been reading this magazine for years, and it has always given a platform and also information about the cream of society in all the fields. So I am really honored to be here. They have called me, I think, to give away one award and also maybe to receive one. So it is my honor since years as a college kid, as a politician, as a social person. I always followed up with this magazine, and so now I am part of this program. I am honored, and I think it will create a new relation with me and society from today. See, it is only 17% of women in the country who are exposed to sanitary napkins. Others are not using it. That is a very shocking number. And when this taxation came, even I wrote to Finance Minister, the Union Finance Minister, about this. All the women organizations came to me. Even Women Commission was approached by all the women organizations. I was very positively, we wrote a letter to central government. But only 17% of the population uses this. So it is very affordable for them. We should make it more approachable and more reachable to the normal mass population, and we are coming up with a scheme from Maharashtra government called Asmita. We are launching it on 8th of March. So where we'll make sanitary napkin available in every village and in very, very low cost. And we only self-help groups will sell it. So it's a unique scheme, no state has it. So we are coming up with it. Thank you so much.
Society Achievers Award is a unique initiative on its own. Trust me, it's one platform when one can really feel that you are somewhere, you are something important in life. And in the years to roll by, the way they are doing, something really amazing. Thank you so much.
What do you want to say? about Society Achiever Award and how you are associated with it.
So I've been associated with Magna since long, and I think Society and Stardust, they do a very good job of rewarding the talents. And the Society Achievers Award, it rewards talents from all fields. It's not just Bollywood, it's sports, it's all the other industries, politics, all the other industries as well. So it's very good, and we should definitely applaud the achievers and encourage them so that they are able to soar more heights.
So you've been awarded or presenting the
I'm presenting the award.
Many people love your film, short film.
Bulbul.
Regarding that, many of the narrative by Bollywood film, they also can tell us about regarding that.
I'm very thankful कि आप सबको बुलबुल इतनी पसंद आई, and जो character था that was completely unlike me. मैं बिल्कुल बुलबुल जैसी नहीं हूँ, so to play that character meant a lot of effort and all. So I'm happy because I've been working behind the camera since many years, so it was challenging for me because मैं बहुत time बाद कैमरा फेस कर रही थी और सबका बहुत प्यार आया and सबने बहुत प्रेज की मेरी परफॉर्मेंस की. So thank you so much.
So any project
Oh my God, I've been watching Big Boss since I've watched the entire season of Big Boss, and I'm a big Salman fan and Big Boss fan, and I want Shilpa to win. She's won? कुछ झूठ बोल रही हो कि पता नहीं सुबह से ही आई. I'm so happy. Yeah, Shilpa is the winner. I think I really found her very very nice. और अगर आप अंदर से अच्छे नहीं होते हो तो आपके फेस पर आप जैसे भी होते हो वो झलकता है, वो कभी आप छुपा नहीं सकते, डिसऑनेस्ट नहीं हो सकते. इतना ज़्यादा आई थिंक फेक करना इट्स इम्पॉसिबल फॉर एनी ह्यूमन बीइंग. सो आप जैसे अंदर से होते हो वो हमेशा आपके चेहरे पर दिखता है और वो ऑनेस्टी पता चलती है. सो आई लव्ड शिल्पा एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी दैट शी इज़ द विनर एंड शी रियली डिजर्व द टाइटल.
Is there any project in the pipeline?
I'll tell soon.
Thank you so much.
Bye. Thank you.
मैम स्ट्रेट मैम यहाँ सामने मैम सामने सर मैम स्ट्रेट मैम सामने ऊपर मैम राइट साइड मैम सामने मैम राइट साइड
Well, I think I'm nominated firstly, and I'm very thankful to everybody out here and to society for recognizing the talent in our country in a growing situation where new talents are being encouraged. And I've got Stardust Young Achievers Award recently, so I think this is my second association with them. When I'm nominated, let's see, hoping for the best. I really don't know. I didn't ask him anything. I came here for society. मुझे आपकी आवाज़ कम आ रही है. Not at all. Not at all. We are all set to release our film on the 25th. Like Holiday Film Katha, I think this is a very big film for us, for Akshay sir, and we are very confident of what we have made. So I think if the film is made well and the audience understands what we have made and वो उसको accept करते हैं तो कोई फिल्म में किसी के साथ भी आए तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Thank you so much.
So what do you want to say regarding Society Achievers?
Society Achievers Award. Well, it's lovely because we have a fine society. Society covers it very well, and they have all the right kind of people to judge who is an achiever and who from our society has done well for the period of time we're talking about. And I think it's always good to give and receive awards because you are honoring people who have done something good for society. Thank you.
It's great to be here, and I have known quite a few of the achievers that have got the award at the Society Awards, and it's wonderful. It's very encouraging, and I think it's always nice for anyone who has achieved something in life to be appreciated, and this is one great way that this magazine appreciates people who've achieved something in life.
watch any of them?
In passing one or two, but I am not really a Big Boss watcher.
I think it's an honor to be here, and you need more publications like Society, this organization, to take forward younger people and acknowledge their achievement. So I think what they're doing is amazing, and it's always nice to be here. We know the team very well, so it's always a pleasure. It's a great honor to be here. I think for any person in a creative field, an award is a great source of encouragement. And I think the life of an artist is timeless, it's never ending, it's a long journey. So it's just an honor to be here, and I feel very blessed to be starting the new year with these awards. Thank you.
I can't hear anything, sweetheart. थोड़ा आगे आके बोल.
आपको देना चाहिए सोसाइटी अचीवर अवार्ड 2018
क्या कहना
चाहेंगे? हाँ, आप नॉमिनेशन जुड़े हैं क्या है? कुछ बताइए.
यहाँ नॉमिनेशंस हैं क्या?
Ma'am, what do you want to say about?
या जो मुझे पता है इसलिए मैं आई हूँ is because I'm winning an award. Otherwise, I mean I might have come still, but यहाँ मुझे nominations नहीं है यहाँ. But I'm very, very thrilled, and this is what I really want to say for all these mics if they're on, is that I am so proud that Society magazine is one of the few people in media to reward theatre. I was asking Suchitra, is this award been given to other people, before this? And she said, no, we have just instituted this award. Because it's a very, very dynamic space, but it's somehow, because we live in Bombay or Mumbai, it gets completely overshadowed by films or television even. So I'm just thrilled that, and that's one of the reasons I've come all bright and all that to get the award, because there's a acknowledgement of work that is being done in the theatre. Thank you. Now,
well, in English or in Hindi? So I've been associated with Society because Magna Publishing, all the magazines that they write, we always endorse a lot of the staff, especially with the Savvy and other ones. But as far as Society is concerned, I think it's great that we acknowledge people and their achievements. And it's a great thing that Society does this every year. And good kudos to them for this. I think I'll be presenting an award, because if I was being awarded, they would have told me I'm being awarded. I think I'll be probably presenting. And even if you don't present, it's just the fact that you come there to give support to the whole fraternity that is winning the award. Because it's so important that if you're getting an award, you need some people to be there when you're receiving it. That makes you feel all the more better.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Sir, center, sir. Sir, left sir, both of you. Sir, right side. Sir, वीडियो के लिए. Sir, सामने. Sir, यहाँ पे एकदम सामने. Sir, सामने. Sir, बाइक. Sir, जीतू सर, बाइक. साथ में दे देंगे. हाँ सर.
So, sir, what do you want to say about Society Achiever Award and how you people are associated?
मैं तो आया हूँ आई थिंक सोसाइटी अचीवर अवार्ड्स में पहले भी. I think Dad's coming for the first time.
Yeah.
And we've come for a very special occasion. I mean, you'll know that once you see the award function. So we don't want to reveal that now.
Right, absolutely right.
So, sir, you're being awarded or presenting the award?
We're presenting.
Presenting. Okay, so how such kind of award inspires you? You can say.
I can speak for him, right?
Yeah.
It's inspiring because it's not just Bollywood based. It's got, I think, the awardees are.
No, the name of the magazine is Society.
Society,
So
yeah.
it's something to do with the society. It's people from the society, not only from films.
So it's inspiring for those who are not just aspiring to be in Bollywood.
Already your film is very highly successful. Golmaal winner. Any chances new film coming Golmaal?
Any franchise?
Golmaal 5 अभी आने हैं. Of course it'll come. कब आएगी ये I think only Rohit will be able to answer that question, but definitely आएगी ज़रूर. I mean there's no question about it now. I mean it's
नहीं ये 5 नहीं है, कोई 15 तक रुकने वाला नहीं है.
Hopefully
हम रहे ना रहे. Oh, I love it. It's very very difficult, and he does it so well.
Still in discussion, still talking, still reading scripts. I think after Golmaal again, the follow-up film should be worth it. I can't bring the standard down after such a big success. So I'm going to wait it out and do something that really,
in my time,
follows up well.
We used to do about 30 films at a time. Today these guys don't do films. हम लोग टैक्सी के माफक थे. 10 meter down we used to go on.
I tried that strategy, but it didn't.
No, it doesn't work
now. It pulled me back, so I had to cut down.
It's a big game.
Yeah.
Any chance of coming in digital platform? Alt Balaji doing very well in digital platform. Any chances you're coming in digital platform?
Yeah, he should tell.
It depends on. I mean, I would love to do it. I would love to do even television, digital. The digital platform is also, it's a galaxy. Who would want to say no? I mean, it transcends geographical barriers, language, time, space. People can watch your work at any time, anywhere, and people of all languages can watch it. So it's a galaxy. Why would I want to ignore it?
Okay, thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am. Samri एकदम. Anil sir. Ma'am left side here, sir. Ma'am Samri. Anil sir. Ma'am left. Ma'am here. Ma'am straight, ma'am. Sir. Ma'am your left side. Okay.
I'll just finish. I'm not going.
Ma'am, first of all, you're glittering Dubai, looking damn beautiful.
Thank you.
So, what do you want to say about Society Achiever Award and how you're associated with it?
Well, I think this is a great award in appreciation for all our achievers, whether from all walks of life, and I think it's a very great opportunity for everyone to be here and also open our eyes to what is happening around us, be aware of all the good work that everyone has been doing so far.
Yeah, so you've been awarded or presenting the award?
I have no idea. I think I am kind of nominated, but I don't know. I'll go in and come to know. I think हर award बहुत मायने रखता है क्योंकि the very fact that you are getting an award for the appreciation of the work that you've done, तो वो अपने आप में ही बहुत important होता है. I honestly feel things like this should be tax-free because I think it should be easily affordable for women from all classes and all walks of life. Thank you so much. Sonu Sood, either you're talking.
Small words. मैं ठीक हूँ. आप कैसे? अचीवर्स अवार्ड एक अलग तरीके का अवार्ड है और ऑब्वियसली एक खुशी ये होती है कि सिर्फ बॉलीवुड ही नहीं है, सिर्फ फिल्म से रिलेटेड नहीं है, हर फील्ड के लोगों को, मतलब हर फील्ड में जिसने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है या जो काम कर रहे हैं, मेहनत कर रहे हैं, उन्हें फेलिसिएट किया जा रहा है. तो एक अलग तरीके का अवार्ड है एंड खुशी होती है जब एक ऐसे अवार्ड पर आप आएँ जहाँ पे हर तबके के लोग हैं, हर बिजनेस से रिलेटेड लोग हैं, ना ही सिर्फ बॉलीवुड से.
So Rohit sir, how you are associated with it और आप क्या ले रहे हैं या अवार्ड प्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं?
मैं अवार्ड लेने भी आया हूँ और मैं अवार्ड ऑब्वियसली आया हूँ तो मैं प्रेजेंट भी करूँगा अवार्ड्स। सो खुशी हुई जब उन्होंने कहा कि यू हैव टू कम हियर एंड आपको एक अवार्ड दिया जा रहा है। सो एंड सोसाइटी के साथ, नारी जी के साथ एक पुराना रिश्ता रहा है। आई हैव ऑलवेज सपोर्टेड स्टारडस्ट हो या सावी मैगजीन हो या सोसाइटी हो, सो इट्स लाइक अ फैमिली। कौन है भाई? कौन है भाई? मैंने कुछ नहीं किया, जो होना था वो अपने आप हो गया, इसमें मेरा कोई हाथ नहीं है। I can't hear you at all, beta.
Your show is going very well. Like anything you want to say?
It's a great concept, and the best part about the show is like me and Karan, we know each other for a long time. Then the host Ritvik and Karan Wahi, with whom I worked a lot. Khatro Ke Khiladi, they both were there together, and we have a it's like a family, and all friends working together. So there's a lot of fun. एंड साथ में एक नया कॉन्सेप्ट है, नए बच्चे हैं जिन्हें ट्रेन किया जा रहा है, एक अलग तरीके का कॉन्सेप्ट है, एंड वी ऑल आर एंजॉयिंग इट। थैंक यू सो मच।
हैप्पी होली, हैप्पी मकर संक्रांति, हैप्पी पोंगल, सब कुछ जी आपको बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो। No, I feel society is one platform which honors all the people who deserves whatever they have done in their life, or just want to tell them they're doing a great job, and always keep on motivating people to work hard and achieve more and more in life, and all the best to all the people who are associated with this huge platform.
So you've been awarded or you've been presenting the award?
I'm going to be awarded for the Fitness Icon of the Year award, so I think that's one more reason for me to go to the gym tomorrow.
So any project in your pipeline you want to share with us?
I'm sorry?
Any project in your pipeline you want to share with us?
Yeah, I've just completed JP Datta Sir's Pulting. Last schedule is on. Then there's a film with Kangana called Manikarnika. Then I finished a film called Kurukshetra. My 2 home productions are about to roll this year. So yeah, a couple of 4 to 5 releases coming up. Yeah. बोलते कि दुनिया उम्मीद पर दुनिया कायम है। हमेशा हर साल हम लोग कुछ एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि कुछ ज़बरदस्त होगा, कुछ अच्छा होगा हमारी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के लिए। एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो आई होप बेस्ट विल हैपन, एंड जस्ट फिंगर्स क्रॉस्ड, एंड होपफुली budget should be good for our industry. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Award and how you are associated with it?
I think Society Achievers Award are the only awards which have connect with corporate and Bollywood and everybody together, and it's been happening since very long. Magna and Stardust, we all are connected, so I'm here to wish them and be a part of it as usual.
So you're being awarded or presenting the award?
Presenting the award, of course. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
मैम सेंटर, एक्सक्यूज मी मैम सेंटर, मैम सेंटर ऊपर, मैम यहाँ सामने मैम, मैम सामने, राइट साइड हियर, मैम यहाँ, मैम यहाँ, ऊपर, मैम ये किधर?
I'm so excited by the way and thank you for calling me. और इनफैक्ट मैं हमेशा ये लोग मुझे बुलाते हैं और मैं हमेशा आती हूँ. So I feel very special actually. Yeah. Oh my God, really? कहाँ से मैं लग रही हूँ मुझे बताओ ना. किस तरफ से? See, this is my own style. This is my own design. I'm not like किसी और का मैंने डिज़ाइन कुछ कॉपी नहीं किया है. ये मैंने खुद डिज़ाइन किया और मैंने खुद ही पहन लिया है. Because I don't have anything, तो I thought कि क्यों नहीं जो कटन है उसको निकाल के और मैं खुद से सिल के और कुछ ऐसा पहन के चली जाऊँ. So it's my own style. I'm doing one Hindi film, but I can't tell you name right now because it's very difficult to say right now. But I'll tell you very soon. And I'm doing one short film also. This is very it's very bold character. It's very good. मतलब इससे पहले ऐसा बोल्ड मैंने अभी तक किया नहीं है और इनफैक्ट बॉलीवुड में ऐसा किसी ने बोल्ड वो सब्जेक्ट पे काम किया नहीं है. सो आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड. थैंक यू सो मच. Only शिल्पा शिंदे. शिल्पा जी के अलावा और कोई विन कर ही नहीं सकता है. ऑफ कोर्स मुझे कंफर्म क्या पूरा 101% पता है कि शिल्पा ही जीतेंगे. ये आप पूछ लो ना कुछ, आपको कुछ अलग से पूछना है.
About the award ceremony tonight, what are your expectations in terms of your future?
See, I'm so they always call me actually, so it's very big thing for me कि कोई आपको बुला रहा है. So I'm just waiting कि कौन आज अवार्ड जीत के अपने घर जाता है. So I'm just waiting and hope so कि मैं next year कि मुझे भी ये लोग अवार्ड दें और मैं अवार्ड के साथ आप लोगों के सामने आऊँ. So I'm just like finger crossed. Thank you so much. Thank you.
मैम सामने देखिए. मैम सामने मैम यार सामने मैम ऊपर मैम मैम you're right. मैम right side, you're right.
Ma'am, what do you want to say about Society Achiever Award and how you are associated with it?
I beg your pardon, what do I want to say?
How you associated with it about Society Achiever Award?
How am I associated? Well, I've known Mr. Nari Hira for a long time, many years, since the beginning of my career actually. And the reason why I'm associated with the awards is because I've been invited to receive an award, and I'm really looking forward to seeing how the evening unfolds. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Hello.
One second.
तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे सोसाइटी अचीवर अवार्ड के लिए और आप लोग कैसे एसोसिएटेड हो?
नहीं, बस इसमें पावर कपल का खिताब मिला है इसमें, और ये पहली बार पावर की किसी बात से मैं एसोसिएटेड हुआ हूँ, थैंक्स टू राधिका. लेकिन पिछले 1-8 साल में endeavor Happydemic has been doing really well. So I think that is the reason that we're here today. And it's nice to be a part of such a wonderful elite list of awardees and winners.
So how does it feel? इतना cute award आपको मिल रहा है
एक्चुअली ही इज़ वेरी यूज्ड टू कि इनको बहुत सारे अवार्ड्स मिल चुके हैं. आई थिंक दिस इज़ माई फर्स्ट वन एंड आई थिंक ऑल द मोर स्पेशल है क्योंकि यू नो एज हिज बेटर हाफ आई हैव बीन अवॉर्डेड एंड
अवार्ड तो कभी नहीं मिला है. वही तो नहीं यार. I think a lot of people in the waiting, so I think फिर कभी.
Thank you. मुंबई में बहुत सारे अचीवर्स हैं, उनको प्रोत्साहित करना बहुत ज़रूरी है और मैं मानती हूँ कि सोसाइटी के इस अवार्ड से एक चीज़ स्पष्ट होता है कि अलग अलग क्षेत्र के सबसे दिग्गज कौन हैं. शाइना एनसी, शाइना एनसी, शाइना एनसी, साड़ी साड़ी साड़ी. मैं मानती हूँ कि जो लोग बेइज्जती कर रहे हैं उनके पास कोई मुद्दे नहीं बचे हैं. अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पे आज भारत का जो नाम और स्तर और शान है तो वो सिर्फ नरेंद्र मोदी जी के वजह से है.
Good evening.
So, what do you want to say about Society Achiever Award and how you are associated with it?
Society Achievers Awards felicitates all the good deeds that people do and they've done for our country. So it's a proud moment. I'm here to support everybody.
So you've been awarded or been presenting the award?
We'll get to see now, hopefully. Happy New Year to everybody.
How has been the New Year treating you?
New Year's been good. It started off really well. I'm going to be announcing 2 big films this year, and also another web series for Ekta Kapoor, which I'm really proud of, Haq Se. So, year's been good.
And you're doing an ad also, which is like on air these days.
Oh yeah, so काम करते करते फिर लोग आ ही जाते हैं साथ में endorse कराने के लिए. So I feel very lucky for that.
What are your criteria when you choose an ad endorsement?
I don't like to sell a lie. You know, although we are in this industry and we make up our lies and everything, advertising is a little different. You got to be as real as possible. So I think that's the only difference.
And do you think the celebrities should be responsible when they choose a product for the endorsements?
I can't tell about others, but I definitely feel responsible. Even in the smallest things, even while driving a car or crossing the footpath, I think you have to be responsible all throughout.
आज किस शुभता में शामिल हो रहे हैं आप? अवार्ड प्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं, दे रहे हैं या लोगों का उत्साह बढ़ा रहे हैं?
उत्साह बढ़ा रहे हैं, उसके साथ और भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें सर.
सभी हमारे जो सहयोगी पूछना चाह रहे थे कि आज बिग बॉस का फिनाले है, आपकी तरफ से कौन जीत रहा है?
मेरी तरफ से मैं चाहूँगा विकास गुप्ता जीते, बट देन अगेन ऑडियंस इज किंग. क्या पूछ रहे थे? हाँ जी. एक तो अभी अनटाइटल्ड प्रोजेक्ट है, टोनी डिसूजा के साथ सेकेंड टाइम अराउंड मैं आ रहा हूँ. सो दैट्स वन गुड प्रोजेक्ट. इट्स गॉट सनी देओल, अ लॉट ऑफ कैमियोज एज वेल. आई कांट स्पीक मच अबाउट इट, बट आउट एंड आउट एक्शन थ्रिलर है. दूसरों के बारे में नहीं बोल सकता सर, मगर माई बेस्ट विशेस टू द कंटेस्टेंट्स. थैंक यू सर.
Global Advertiser for innovative outdoor solutions.
Global as a company, it has never compromised on its service quality and commitment, and that is the reason our clients do keep on coming again and again to us for our service. The mission of the company is to rise on the graph of betterment for every campaign handled by us.